Hey, how is it going? My name is Patrick and welcome here. I am co-founder of this tool called Flowlance, and I will now guide you through the basic setup and show you what Flowlance actually is and how you can use it to start or completely change your online business. If you are watching this video, it probably means only one thing. You want to monetize your passion or skills with digital products or online services, right? And in this video, I will show you how you can do that really easily with Flowlance. But before we start, let me tell you why we built Flowlance at the first place. We built it after seeing hundreds of online tutors and coaches struggle to manage clients and bring in new sales at our previous company, which was tutoring marketplace. We wanted to basically create the simplest way how you can showcase your products and services and collect leads, emails, make sales, send broadcasts, manage clients, upsell them from the one place, with everything working on autopilot for you. Once you would set it up, you could focus only on what really matters, which is getting more customers and delivering them more value. Well, the whole backend infrastructure ran by itself. And well, we did exactly that. So far, we helped thousands of everyday people sold over 5,000 digital products worth over more than $1 million. All of this just in the last year in 2025. Okay, but if you are still wondering what Flowlance actually is or what it can do for you, let me quickly answer this. Flowlance is all-in-one tool which you can operate your whole online business on social media or outside of them. Yes, it's suitable for both the beginners, thanks to its accessibility, speed and simplicity, as well as complete experts who are currently paying for several expensive tools. And they want to have everything in one place for a so much better price. With Flowlance, you can start selling digital products, online services, coaching, other info products like courses, paid communities, memberships, and collect one-time or recurring payments from your customers. Content creators can create a simple storefront which they can showcase all their offers. And if you are like any other info entrepreneur, you will definitely appreciate the standalone landing pages where you can list your offers, set up the opt-in pages, and automate everything with email collection and automatization and so much more. Okay, so now if you are completely new to Flowlance, let's take a look where you can find all the necessary help you will need. First of all, you can go here in the right corner and click here on the message tab. And you will find here a couple of useful links. First of all, our help center. It's basically all articles about how Flowlance works and what features we have, and we constantly update this. So you will find this everything about digital products, about like selling online, how to customize your store design, and or how to connect your own domain and all the other necessary things. So it's the help center. If you would need a bit of hands-on help, you can go here on the live trainings. We are doing live trainings every Tuesdays, so you can book the one session with my co-founder Steven right here. And like I said, we are doing it every Tuesday, so you can join here and ask whatever you want to the Steven. Another important link is this. There is all our updates and our roadmap, so you can like suggest what we should build next or give us feedback on the features, what you want to build. And the thing is that we want to build Flowlance with you. So just tell us what you are missing in the app and we will try to build it. Last thing about this tab is our AI assistant. You can start conversation and ask our AI assistant for anything you want. For example, if you would need any help about how to launch your first digital product, you can just simply ask and Flowlance will answer this for you. It has access to all of our knowledge base, so it's based on the articles. So you don't have to manually go through the articles. You can just ask our AI assistant Flowlance right here about anything you want. So that's it, and this is the place where you find any help you need about Flowlance. If you would need any other help or ask like more customized question, you can always go here in communities and visit our Flowlance community. And you can ask questions directly to us or other members, and we will try to help you as soon as possible we get the message. Okay, but now let's take a look on your creator store right here. Okay, the AI assistant triggers a message. Your creator store is right here. If you have not used our AI onboarding, it will probably look more like this. And all you need to do is go here and click on the pen emoji next to your name. And you can simply upload your profile picture right here. You can crop it as you want, if like this, but I already optimized it for the store, so I will just confirm. And you can save it. Now you have your own profile picture. Then you can change your store name right here at the headline. Then you can add any of the description, like on the basically like the bio on Instagram or anything you want, like this, and you will save it. Now you have your store almost ready. You can also add the introduction video for your customers, and you can also add all the social media links you want, like Instagram, Facebook, or any other social link. You can simply put the URL address here, and we will generate the icon for it. So if it's not here, don't worry, we will generate like thumbnail icons for any other social media. But I would recommend not overcomplicate this, because you want attention of your visitors and customers more on your offers, not on the links, right? Just keep it simple. Okay, so that's how you set up your store. Now, quickly about the design. You can customize your store right here in the design tab. So you can like pre-select one of our templates that we built for you. But if you don't like it, don't worry. You can like customize it all by yourself right here with the colors and everything. It's all up to you. You can also design the product boxes right here with the shadows and everything. You can design the buttons and their shape. You can design buttons color, which is really important if they are like main CTA, right? And you can also change the font right here. So it's all customizable, but I would really keep it simple. We will add more options for the design, but right now it's like focus for the best conversions. So just don't overcomplicate it. Okay, now you want to add your first digital product, right? That's something you can do right here by hitting create new product. You have like multiple options what you can create in Flowlance. You can create one-to-one sessions like for coaching course, or session bundles for one-to-many coaching. You can create digital products, lead magnet, online courses, custom links. You can also add Flowlance referral program, so you can earn by referring Flowlance to others. And we will pay you like 20 or 30% based on your plan for life for every refer customer you bring. So that's like insane referral program by my personal opinion. And this is where you can create anything you want. So you can just hit create digital products and you can customize it. I will make another video just about the creating digital product, because there's a lot of inputs that you can fill out, and I will address this more in detail in another video. So watch this, it will be somewhere down here under this video. So okay, this is how you add your first digital product, right? Okay, but before we move on, let me just quickly tell you the difference between the storefront and the landing pages right here. On the storefront, you can use it as your link in bio and send all your visitors right here, so they can choose who they want to visit on your link in bio, right? But the landing pages, you can use like the standalone sales pages, so you can copy their links right here, put it in the browser, and you will send your customers directly on sales page, where you can like add images, a lot of text, customize everything, and it's basically the sales page where your customers can buy from you on one click with embedded checkout and everything. But if you want to receive payments and get paid from your customers, you need to do one important thing, and that's the connection of the payment gateway, like PayPal or Stripe. I will show you right here. You will have a brand new account. It's step 3 in the onboarding. We already set up the creator store, create a product or sales page, and now we need to add payment method to be able to accept payments. So you will go right here and you will connect Stripe or PayPal. It's really simple, straightforward. There will be again another video about connection of those two payment gateways. Just remember that you need to connect one of those payment gateways to be able to accept payments from your customers. Because if you will not do this, your customers will go on your product and they will see this enabled button, and they can't click on it because you don't have connected payment gateway. So now you know how to set up your store, how to add your first product, what is the difference between landing page and the product on the storefront, how to design your storefront, and how to add payment method. Now it's time to go through the rest of the system. So first of all, the dashboard. Here at dashboard, you will find everything you need about your visits, number of clicks on your sales pages or landing pages. That's why the number can be like often bigger than the visits, because you can send people directly on the landing pages, not on the storefront. You will find there all leads, sales, and all the revenue statistics. And down there, you will find like in detail statistic about clicks, orders, and conversion rates of your products. So you can better decide on which products you want to focus and which you are not. Okay, another tab is orders. You will find here all the orders you will ever make, like their types, if it's leads, digital products, or anything else. You can also filter it right here. You will find the stage of the orders here and when was the order was created. There is the title of the order, the customer's name, it's blurred because of the privacy policy, when was the order created, and everything you need. You also have the orders, invoices, or receipts if you need any. So that's it. You can also export all the orders right here, for example, for your accountant. Then there is the tab of customers. You can import your customers from another solution. You can also export your customers, and you can add new customer manually right here. Then you have all list of your customers down there with all the leads, active customers, and the total number of the customers. So yeah, it's here. You can also click on the customers and see all the details about the customer, like his orders, his events, his invoicing details, or you can also see his notes for the customer, everything you need. And that's the thing in the orders as well. You can click on the order right here, and you can see all the details about the order. You can view the receipt, you can download it, you can send a reminder to the customer, anything you need. And there are the communities right here. If you go there, you can visit our Flowlance community, as I mentioned on the beginning. Join here, find all the necessary resources and everything you basically need. So you can educate yourself here. There are the all important links as well, and there are all the categories or threads you can write in. So that's about the communities. And if you want to start your own community, you can create it simply here. Just click and add the name, the thumbnail, cover, brief description, and build the landing page for a community, and you can bring in new members. It will look like this. So you can manage all the members, you can manage the settings, and you can manage the pricing. The community can be for free, for one-time payment, or for the monthly payment like the membership. We are working on it right now, so I hope that if you are watching this video right now, this option is already enabled. So that's how you can launch your community really simply in one place and don't overcomplicate things. Then there are the courses. In the courses, you can go here and create a new course, or you can edit already existing one. I prepared one here on the testing account, so you can go here and build your modules and all the lessons inside of them. In the lessons, you can add all the text, embed YouTube videos, anything you want, and you can structure your whole knowledge hub in the courses, and it's really simple to build, and you can sell it on your storefront right after that. And after courses, there is the one button which says more. And when you click on that, you will discover more advanced features like calendar, direct sales, and email flows. You can turn them on just by hitting the toggle right here, and they will appear on the left sidebar. So when we will visit the calendar, you will see this. And it's basically for all your meetings. For example, when you have some coaching lesson, you can just put the name of the event here. You can add guest right here. You can set the repetition of the event if you want. You can add the meeting link, for example, Google Meet or Zoom, whichever you will integrate. And then you can add the personal notes and the pricing. So you can set the price for the event. You can also select if the attendee will be paying or if someone another will be paying for the attendee, for example, his company. Okay, that's about the calendar. One quick thing, you have also the to-do list right here in the calendar. So if you want, you can make to-dos right here and use it like that. Okay, then there is the direct sales. This is a very powerful feature if you have agency or if you are in the coaching industry again. You can simply select any product you have in Flowlance and sell directly to your customer just by selecting the customer here. You will select the customer and you can add the product or the discount and hit sell. And then you will simply select your payment method, Stripe, PayPal, or you can accept payments on the bank account with this feature. And you can also customize the email for your customer right here, and you will send the offer to your customer. So it can be like if you close someone, you can directly send them the offer with the payment link, and you can get the payment as soon as possible. So that's about the direct sell. And in this step, you have also bulk session payout. So if you have a lot of sessions and you want to, I don't have any right now, but if you want to get paid for all the session in 1 month, like after them, you can use this feature, but don't worry about it. It's like too deep right now. And there is the custom invoice. If you need some custom payment from someone, you can use this. Simply again, by selecting the customer, a description of the invoice and the price, and it will generate you the invoice right here. So you can see all the details and everything. And when you hit create, it again let you select the payment method and send it to your customer. Okay. Then there are the email flows. This is really powerful feature because you can use it when you sell something. You can automatically set up the email sequence. So when someone buys, you can automatically start sending them emails and promoting your next offer. So for example, if you will sell lead magnet, you can start the email sequence of multiple emails and promote your paid offer in them right here. You can also start a broadcast, which is like newsletter thing, and you can simply send email like this and select if you want to send it to all your customers, or if you want like some segments and send it only like some specific customers who bought your product. So that's the broadcast. And you can also show all the recipients right here. Okay, so we go through the dashboard, my store, orders, customers, communities, calendar, direct sales, email flows, and courses. It's all the main features on the left sidebar. Now let's take a look on settings. You will find settings down here if you click on the settings. You can customize your store link right here. You can add your custom domain. So if you have or own like your own domain, you can add it and connect it right here. So it will not appear like myflowlance.com, but it will appear like something your own. Then you can customize your whole Flowlance account as a white label right here. So you can select your store page, title, meta description, favicon, or you can hide Flowlance branding at all. This is a really cool feature. Not a lot of softwares have it. So you can use it right here. It's available only on a Pro plan. You can also add your custom terms of services right here. We already do the work for you and let our lawyer write like general terms of services. So you can use those if you want, if you don't have yours. But if you have your own terms of services, you can upload it right here just by deleting this and put there your own. And then you can add your personal details, preferences, address, and everything you need. Then there are the payments. We already talked about them. Just one quick note about bank accounts. You can also add your bank account right here. We support a lot of currencies and you can use it in the direct sales. You can accept the payments on your bank account in the storefront right now, but you can use it if you already have existing customers and you want to sell directly to them with direct sales as I showed you. Okay, then you can manage all your subscriptions right here. So you see your plan, you can downgrade, upgrade as you wish. You can see all the invoices if you need for your accountants from Flowlance, and you can also cancel subscription by one click. You don't have to write us, hey, I want to delete my account or anything like that. You just cancel the subscription and we will not charge you. I myself don't like begging the support to cancel my account, so we make this really simple. Okay, and then there are the advanced settings. You can integrate anything from the Google, like calendar, email, and the Google Meet. The email is more like for the contact import, so just know that. Then you can integrate with Zoom, Metapixel, so you can run ads directly on your digital products in Flowlance. This is a really cool feature. So basically, you just hit connect Metapixel, add your Metapixel ID. There is the instructions more in detail, and we will integrate with your Meta and Ads Manager, and Flowlance will send all the data to your Ads Manager. So in Ads Manager, you will see all the conversions you will make with Flowlance from this integration. Then there is the reCAPTCHA. It's like not the most important feature, but if you have already a lot of visitors and want to avoid some spam, you can turn it on right here. Then there is the Zapier. So you can connect Flowlance with like any other app you want. You can connect Flowlance to 7,000 plus apps right now. So you can just set it up and customize anything you want with webhooks with the Zapier. Then there is the mail chat. So if you want to send emails from Flowlance from your own email address, you can simply connect to mail chat, set it up, and send emails from your own custom domain or like email address. So this is also a really cool feature for the customization. We are getting to the final, and there is the same like little plus right here, and you can turn on the invoicing and the taxes module. This is something you will use probably more like in some European country because you want to report right data to your state, right? So if you turn those on, you will see this thing like invoicing details, and you will select anything you want here, like your company ID and address and everything. And there is invoicing details, so you can customize your invoice with logo, the header, footer, like any other thing you basically want. Okay, so those are the invoices and taxes. And that's basically it. That's the whole walkthrough for Flowlance. I showed you the whole system. I will make more videos like for the standalone features down here in this like introduction course to the Flowlance. But just remember that if you need any help from us, just hit this button down there, and you can write us or find anything you want here. Simply visiting one of those links or by registering to the live training, which is every Tuesday. You can also start conversation with us and with our AI bot Flowy, which will help you with anything, or you can just write directly to us and we will help you as soon as possible. So if you need any help, just reach us here or visit our resources. or watch another videos. So I will be looking for your first sales because, as I said, thousands of other everyday people, creators, and people who build digital products already sold over 5,000 digital products worth over $1 million just into 2025. And we want to help people do a lot of more in 2026. So that's it. I will be looking forward to seeing you in the chat or in the community, and let's get in touch and let's make this work.